Welcome everyone to this video. In this video, we'll be looking at how to turn a daytime photo into a nighttime photo. It's gonna be a fun one, so let's just get right into it. And if you want to use this exact same image, the link will be in the description below. So now let's start by adding an adjustment layer, which is hue and saturation. So now let's decrease the saturation to about 60, minus 60 or minus 55 or somewhere in between. And we're reducing the saturation so much is because at night time we don't see much colors. We just see mostly shades of blue. So that's why we have reduced the saturation. And now let's make another adjustment layer, which is of a color lookup. So here we can add LUTs to our image. So what are LUTs? So LUTs or lookup tables are mostly used in video editing to give your video a specific look, but in version CS6 and so on, these LUTs are added to Photoshop. So we can add a LUT to our images. So here we're gonna choose this night from day LUT, and that was pretty obvious, night from day. So we have choose this LUT, night from day. So now it's starting to look like a nighttime photo, but we still have some bright spots in our image, and we're gonna fix that by the exposure adjustment layer. So exposure is basically the amount of light that is entering the camera while clicking the picture. So if the image is clicked at night time, the light entering the camera will be low compared to than of day. So that's why we're just gonna make an exposure adjustment layer and decrease the exposure, not much, let's say about minus 0.4 or 5. That's working, I think. So now basically it has started to look like a nighttime photo. And after this is optional. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I not, but mostly I just make an adjustment layer, another adjustment layer of color balance. So this is just a self-explanatory layer. So if you want to make it more cyan, red, here you can do it with these sliders. So I just add a bit of cyan, a bit of blue, and a bit of magenta in the image. So there are more shades of blue in the image. So now basically it's done. And if you think the shades of blue are like really dense, we can add a vibrance layer, decrease the vibrance a little bit, just a little bit, to about -7, like this, and I think we are done. So this is how you can convert your daytime photo to a nighttime photo. So this is before and this is after. Isn't it wonderful? So this was it for this video, and I'll meet you in the next video.